Welcome to Axel Academy. So I'm here with an interesting topic, that is Vedic Maths. Vedic Maths is fastest calculation of mathematics using your mental ability, not with any of the gadgets like calculator or anything. So only using your brain you have to work it out faster. So this is the first level, and this first level we have a collection of topics, and all these tricks we are going to see that will be helpful to improve your mathematical knowledge, and that will increase your calculating speed also. So let's go into our topic. So in Vedic Maths, the first topic is multiplication of 11. So always we'll be doing the normal multiplication. This is not a normal multiplication. So we have different models in this multiplication. So first model, for 2-digit, what we have to do. So if for 11 tables, if it is a 2-digit number, what you have to do, we are going to see. So here is the step. So first step, you have to take the given number. Next step, check the digit. So I'm checking it is with 2-digit. And third step, write the number. If I'm taking, if for example 12 into 11 is given number, so I'm making a tree structure in fourth step. So 12 I'm separating and writing. Fifth step is split the 2-digit number. So I have split as a tree method, you can able to see, I think so. So now add those 2-digit, that is I have taken 12 now, so 1 plus 2 will be 3. So write the sum of the 2-digit in the middle. So I have splitted and write that 12 as 1 and 2, and the middle term is taken from that sum of that 2 digits. So 3 is the answer, so I am writing in the middle. So now the answer is 132. So it is very simple, no? And next is model 2. I have taken example 19 into 11. So first step, as usual, write the given number, and second step you have to split that 2 digits. So 19 I have made a tree form, that is 1 and 9 I have separated. And third step, you have to add those 2 digits and take the sum. So if I add, I am getting 10. So can I write 1, 10, 9 as a digit? No, it's wrong. Okay, you should not write like that. Already I said you can't write the 10 as such. So if the digit is more than 9, you have to borrow the 10th digit to the nearest digit. So fourth step is take the sum and write the unit digit as such and borrow the 10th digit to the nearest digit. So I have got 10. So already 9 is there, and 10 and 1. So 1 and 9 I have splitted, and middle term is 10. So I am writing the 0 as such and adding the 1 to the nearest digit, that to the nearest digit is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 209. So on multiplying 19 into 11, the answer is 209. Model 3. So I have taken a 3-digit number, that is 371. So first step is check the given number. If it is 3-digit, write the given number. So I have written. And the step 2 is draw 2 lines at front and back of the 3-digit number. So I have drawn a slanting line in front and back of the given number. The third step is now write 0 near the 2 lines, or we call that 2 line as modulus. So I am writing 0 at front and back. And the fourth step is now add the each digit with the nearest digit from left to right. So I am adding 0 plus 3, then 3 plus 7, then 7 plus 1, then 1 plus 0. And the fifth step is now write the sum of the each digit from right to left. So I have added those number. Now I have to write the sum from right to left. So the fifth step I have written here. So if I am adding from right to left, so 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 7 is 10, and 0 plus 3 is 3. And the sixth step, so as usual we seen in the second model. So if it is more than 9, then you have to keep the unit digit as such, and 10th digit you have to borrow to the nearest digit. So I am keeping 1, 8 as such, so 10 is there, 0 I'm keeping as such and adding the 1 to nearest digit, that is 3. So 4 will you will get 4. So answer is 4081 is the answer for 371 into 11. So I hope you can understand it very easily. If doubt is there, you can ask me. Last model, that is fourth model, I have taken a 4 digit number, that is 1238 into 11. So first step, you have to check whether it is a 4 digit number and you have to write the given number. And next step 2, as we followed in the model 3, we are following in the 4 also, same model, no changes is there. So draw the 2 lines at front and back, and third step, you have to add 0 at front and back of those modulus. 4 is now add the digit from left to right. So you have to add the nearest digit from left to right. So I'm adding 0 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 8 and 8 plus 0. And the fifth step, you have to sum the numbers from right to left. So I'm summing up 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 8 is 11, and 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 0 plus 1 is 1. Step as usual, if it is more than 9, you have to keep the unit digit as such and you have to borrow the tens digit to the nearest digit. So as it is there 8, 11, 5, 3 and 1, so 11 is more than 9, so I am keeping the unit digit 1 as such and adding the 1 with the nearest digit 5, so I will get 6. So answer is 13,618. So on multiplying 1238 into 11, I get the answer 13,618. Hope you have all understood this model of multiplication of 11. So we have seen 4 models. So keep practicing, then only you can speed up your mathematical skill. So practice makes the man perfect, I hope. So keep practicing all these 4 models. If any doubt is there, you can ask me, and thank you for watching.